Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about, are Facebook ads worth it? And when I hear this question, I actually think, is it worth running content if you're not going to have people see it? To me is the more important question, because for me, yes, Facebook ads are worth it. And I guess, there's a few things to unpack there, as in worth, for one thing. Like, I associate that with value. Is there value in running Facebook ads? And obviously this is very personal, and I can't actually tell you what is valuable in your business and what is worthwhile. But when people come to me and they want me to help them, they want the team to make content for them and run posts every single day, I don't think that is worth it, because just showing up every day and posting content is not actually going to mean that people see that content. And investing money in creating content, or investing your own time in creating content that nobody's ever going to see, to me, that is not worth it. So for me, me, I just highly encourage you to have a little go at doing some Facebook ads. And it can be worth it if you're just running experimental ads, small ads, if you have a container. So if you're clear on an amount that you would like to spend, that you feel really good about spending, you can spend as little as $1.33 a day in Australia right now. And there is some variation in what the minimum ad cost is because of the exchange rate. So if the exchange rate changes, say in the last 6 months, the minimum was $1.43. Just 2 weeks ago, the minimum was $1.30. Now the minimum is $1.33. So you can run ads very, very cheap, and it doesn't have to cost a lot. And even if you just ran one ad that was putting your content in front of your warm audience, I think that's very much worth it, because it's helping keep you top of mind, and it's actually making that effort that you made to create your content worthwhile, that someone is actually going to see your post. And it's going to help people remember that you exist. They possibly liked your page a really long time ago, and now they have completely forgotten about you, even though in that moment when they liked your page or they commented on your post, that was meaningful to them. You resonated with them, and that was real for them, that they actually like you, they like what you're saying, and now Facebook's buried you, and there is very little chance that they're going to see you again. And the same goes for Instagram. I mean, Instagram, it depends a bit, and you do have a bit more chance of showing up on Instagram, but Facebook is such a saturated place, and not that you shouldn't be there, but I think it is really worth running ads. If it's uncomfortable and you're feeling financially scarce, you can run them for a small amount. But for example, myself or some of my clients, there are some strategies with Facebook around kind of hustling for comments, hustling in groups, spending lots of time engaging and commenting. And I'm not saying you shouldn't do those things, because personal connections and interaction on Facebook is the relationship building component of the platform. It's a social media, so you will get benefit from being social on social media. However, that content, that value that you give people is just disappearing into thin air if you're not running some simple ads, like engagement ads for a small amount of money per day, so that the people who are genuinely interested in your message are actually getting a chance to see your content. Now I'm starting to feel like I'm saying the same thing again and again, and I think you get my message by now. I hope you're having a really beautiful day. I hope that your business is growing and that you find some value in this information I've shared with you. Maybe a different perspective on ads, maybe some light of inspiration to just spend a little bit on getting your content, your beautiful, valuable content in front of your people. So I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I look forward to seeing you next time.